Hey, you've got the Peter Muffinator here, ex-president of Come Hair Products. Well, that went down the drain, but I got this hot new product that you're sure to buy. It's the Micro-Profile Smoke and Fire Alarm. Micro-Profile Fire Alarm comes with many options. Am I reading that right? It comes with many options, such as loud piercing noise. Now, you're going to need this for a fire alarm. I mean, every fire alarm needs a loud piercing noise, but this one is better than all the rest because it goes at 85 decibel horn. That's pretty amazing to me, I would say. I would put these in my house if I were you. It also comes with a flashing red light. So, if you see a fire, you know, there's a flashing red light on it. So it's like, flashing red light, there's a fire in my house. Oh my god, let's get the f*** out. Alright, there's also a test button. Now the test button allows you to test it. Make sure the batteries are still working, you know. That's obviously important. Fucking retarded. Also, there's a low battery indicator. People just love this product. Let's look at some of these testimonials. You need to shut the fuck up. I am doing an infomercial, motherfucker. Motherfucker, okay? Motherfucker. Now let's take a look at these testimonials.
This product didn't really work for me.
So make sure to buy this product where available in your town or city or village. Peter Muffin. What the fuck am I saying? Dude, like, I don't even work for a company anymore. I'm on the black market. Why am I even selling fire alarms? Like anybody's gonna buy this. Like, seriously.
Buy your very own micro-profile smoke alarm today. Only $123.78. Product may malfunction, causing you to wake up dead.
Let's take a look at these awesome testimonials we have for you here, huh?
I can't do this.
So let's check. Oh god.
This project didn't really work for me. This product didn't really work for me.
Let's do it again. You want to do it again?
Let's do this again.
Get over here for a second. Just work with me, okay? Deep dick.
Okay.
This product didn't really work for me.